Since 2018, the Djvu Ransomware family has released hundreds of new variants, quickly becoming one of the world's most notable ransomware gangs. Now EEGF Ransomware has been uncovered as yet another strain from the family. It is referred to as EEGF based on the .eegf extension it uses to append the infected files. The ransomware operates like its counterparts from the Djvu group and encrypts files before making a ransom demand. Upon infection, EEGF Ransomware scans a victim's computer to look for user-generated files. It then targets the files that may contain valuable information, including databases, spreadsheets, archives, pictures, and videos. Additionally, the hackers behind EEGF Ransomware deliver a ransom note that contains information about the infection and the hacker's ransom demands. Unfortunately, an online decryption tool that would unlock the files encrypted by EEGF ransomware is not available at the moment, and the only reliable way to recover infected files is to restore them from a backup. You could also possibly use alternative data recovery options. However, there's no guarantee that alternative data recovery tools will unlock the encrypted files. The ransom demand associated with EEGF ransomware. EEGF Ransomware's operators promise a decryption key to unlock the affected files for $980. However, they do offer a 50% discount if victims establish communication within 72 hours after encryption. The ransom note also instructs users to contact the criminals at restorealldata@firemail.cc or gorentos@bitmessage.ch or their Telegram account @datarestore. If contacted, EEGF Ransomware's operators also offer to decrypt one file for free to display that they can unlock all the affected files. How do I deal with the EEGF ransomware attack? Although cooperating with hackers seems like an easy way out of the situation, we strongly advise victims not to engage and employ a reputable malware remediation program to scan for and remove EEGF ransomware. To prevent data loss in the case of another ransomware attack, please consider backing up your data on an external hard drive or virtual cloud storage. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like SpyHunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. SpyHunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. SpyHunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the SpyHunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.